Hello guys, welcome back to the Planet V. Today we are visiting one of the most beautiful villages in Wallonia, which is CELLES. CELLES is known for their Romanesque church that harbors a number of Gothic treasures. Let's check it out. We are now at the beautiful stone stations of the cross which link the village center and the Hermitage. It was used by the nuns of the Saint Vincent of Paul. Let's go. The nuns had a daily ritual of visiting church 2 to 3 times a day, and they were accustomed to praying as they walked the stations of the cross. Starting in 1858 up until 1973, this sisterhood resided in the Hermitage. The Hermitage Chapel was erected close to the cave where Saint Hadelin retired from society, as well as where his grave once stood. The Hermitage, which dates from the 14th century, was home to hermits who served the Church of CELLES until 1789. A stone statue of Saint Hadelin with a thick beard, a dove perched atop his left shoulder, and a staff in his right hand stands in the center of the court. CELLES, which derives from the Latin cello, is credited by legend to Saint Hadelin, a Guiana native. Saint Hadelin retired to a cave in the middle of the woods after a lengthy journey, during which he was briefly joined by Saint Romanesque, the founder of the monastery of Stavelot. A number of friends who were drawn to him by his reputation as a saintly person joined him there. The name of the community was derived from the cells that he and his friends constructed as homes. It is believed that the CELLES Romanesque Church, which is in pristine condition, dates from before the 12th century. Underneath the choir is the crypt, most likely originates from the 9th century. Even if it were merely for the purpose of viewing the stalls, the font, and the holy water font, this amazing structure is absolutely worth a visit. Established in 1994, the non-profit organization called Les Plus Beaux Villages de Wallonie promotes, preserves, and develops a number of villages in Wallonia, Belgium. The name translates from French to English as the most beautiful villages of Wallonia. Starting in Celles, one of Wallonia's most beautiful villages, this 6.5-kilometer walk around the Castle of Vêves takes you through a picturesque landscape. One of the most impressive examples of military architecture from the 15th century is the Castle of Celles, also known as the Castle of Vêves, which is listed as an extraordinary monument. Tradition and history claim that Pepin de Herstal laid the initial foundations for the primitive fortress. The castle is open for tours and can be rented out for special occasions. Once again, thank you for joining us in this beautiful trip here in Celles. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and post your comments. Please share this video with your friends as well. Thank you for watching The Planet V.